Sure, a drone is cool. But do you know what's even cooler? Closing more jobs with the staff you already have. That's why GAF is inviting contractors to fly business class with exclusive pricing on the Loveland Innovations Imaging Drone Package. It's the all-business aerial drone solution engineered by roofing pros to help you build better estimates 3 times faster, so you can sell more roofs. Get precision measurements, 3D modeling, AI-powered damage detection, and more in a third of the time with your feet firmly on the ground. And now, get an exclusive partner discount from GAF and save up to 33%. Do more estimates, safer, faster, so you can sell more roofs. When you're ready to soar, fly business class with Loveland Innovations and GAF. Visit gaf.com/flybusinessclass and save up to 33%.